YouTube. So Yuzhoukee has done it again. They have sent me another product to give my unboxing and review of. And this is like 2 days after my surgery, so I'm not moving real good. So I'm not going to get to use this product, and I have a helper here today because of that. So you'll meet him here in a few minutes. I am going to open this puppy up, slide it out of here. I'm moving kind of slow, so bear with me. Actually, I'm walking slow. Everything else I'm pretty much normal. So, I'm not allowed to lift more than 10 pounds. I think this weighs more than 10 pounds. So let's see, we got another fuel bottle. Got about 200,000 of those now. We're going to get the excess parts out of here, and then I'm going to have my friend Dylan here lift this thing out of this. Aha! There's our little booklet. Alright, Dylan, come here a second. Can you lift this out of here?
Sure.
Let me just get out of your way.
Yep.
There we go.
That's definitely more than 10. That's just your excuse for being old, though.
There you go. So, anyway, and we got clip and a tool. Okay, that's everything out of the box. So, this is an 80cc backpack blower. Boy, that thing is kind of stout. Now, I haven't looked at the instructions yet, but I suppose I should do that before I try assembling things. Might make it a little easier. All kinds of cautions, warning, danger, hot surfaces, all this good stuff. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this one goes to the there we go. This one goes to the power pack onto there, and then this one goes onto that, and then these two extend on. Oh, these are just different tips. I believe this goes on at that point. So let's see here.
Some assembly required.
Some assembly required, that's for sure. Ah, there we go. Okay. We have to spring that apart somehow.
I think you're supposed to unscrew it. Is it already unscrewed?
It's already unscrewed. Yeah, there it goes. It was just being a little persnickety. So there's a rib along here that actually follows. So that gives your handle a good grip on the thing. And of course, you still got to get it big enough. Oh, there's the rib up to the top. There we go. Now how do I get that through there? Ah, there we go. Turn it there, turn it there. Crazy, I thought it would slide up on there further than that. I guess that's where it goes. Alright, let's tighten that down. This one looks like a 5/16 or Phillips. Guess what? This is a Phillips squinch. Squish him up on there. Tighten down. I'm kind of actually really curious about this thing because I don't know of a another leaf blower that's this large a cc. That's 80 cc's is a lot for a blower, and apparently this thing puts out like 850 cubic feet per minute of air. Just to give you an idea of what that means, your standard bathroom fan puts out about 4. The fart fan in your bathroom, yeah, that puts out between 4 and 6 usually. So yeah, 850 might be a bit. Alright, I'm gonna put this up on the back. Whee! Loosen that up some more. Pretty sure it needs to seat all the way to that line right there. Hold that for a second. There it goes. All right. Okay. So I will be honest with you, I did not look this thing up on Amazon or eBay or anything to find out how much it is. So I will do that while I'm editing, and I will post it right down below right now. But one way to do it. So let's take a look at what we got for a motor engine type of deal on this thing. Because that's a heck of a setup. I'm assuming that this is some kind of an air filter up here. The blower draws in air right here at your back. Get that out of the way for you. The throttle looks like it's over here on this side. And then you flip it. Boom. There you go. Okay, then up here at the top is our air filter. Nice big foam air filter with a paper filter also. So this thing is actually, since it's made to kick up a lot of dust, they've got a dual filter system, which is nice, very nice. And it's a large surface area in there, so it can draw enough air to actually run an 80cc motor. Let's see what else we've got here. There's your pull start. This is the choke. Throttle's running right there. Well, guys, I just think we should put some gas in it and see if it runs. I mean, since it's brand new, it should run. We'll see how well it runs. We do have to figure out the harness here, so we can put it on our little buddy here, Mr. Dillon. Looks like that hooks onto there. And then this guy is supposed to have this clip on it. Ah, I see what's going on there. There we go. So that one hooks into there. And then where's like a backpack and a belt to go around it. And upper safety of some sort. Well, we'll just have to look into the directions a bit more, and we'll figure it out, and then we'll be back in a minute to fire it up. Well, I thought I'd give you a quick peek at the engine on it. So I took the screws out of this cover and took it off there, and that's a pretty stout looking little motor. I'm betting that there's all kinds of baffles in the exhaust here, so if you wanted to port the exhaust, you could, or empty the exhaust, the muffler, you could. Not that you really need a hot rod blower, but I guess if you get more RPMs, you'd put out more air. But I think 850 cubic feet per minute will be plenty. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you that before we got gas in it, and we're getting ready to size it up for old Dylan here, and then we'll we're gonna blow on something. Oop. Gotta get that little square in there. Alright guys, see you in a minute. Okay, so here we go. So the choke position is with this all the way up. And there's no primer bulb, so at least I didn't see one. Ah, there is a primer bulb. It is underneath the carburetor. There we go. It's a deep sounding guy.
Probably need to lift up the
Oh,
run.
there we go. Now the half choke. We're going to put Mr. Dillon in here now.
I think I came dressed for the occasion.
We'll see what it does.
I tell you, blood stuff without me even pressing it.
So this dead grass he's blowing has been down here through several rains. It's kind of matted and stuck together. Has no chance against this thing. Cool. I think we found a way to clean off the solar panels now. I think he's just having fun now. Well guys, looks like Yuzhoukee's come up with another champ. So I will have links down in the description to this particular item. And well, thanks for watching. Bye.